I'm at the big Amazon Devices event where I've got the brand new Echo Dot Max and Echo Studio. They're completely redesigned. We've got 2 drivers here. We've got 3 drivers and a downward firing speaker, which is going to create that oomph that you want. $99. These guys you can hook together. You know, you get 5 of these with a new Fire TV and you create a whole surround system. This has the AZ3 and this has the AZ3 Pro. Now these are their new silicon that's going to do a whole lot. And don't forget that all of these devices are shipping now with Alexa Plus inside of them. That's going to be out of the box. They're going to do a lot of processing locally, go to the cloud when they need to. We have not yet fully heard these guys play, but Amazon says the sound is going to be incredible. They've done a whole new mesh on the outside of here that here is like basically you can't find a seam. There's no seam anywhere, but that's also going to help with the sound. It's going to help with the durability. You got a choice of colors, including this guy. I call it purple. What do we call it? Amethyst? All right, I'll take amethyst. I am holding the all-new Kindle Scribe ColorSoft. That's right, it's the Scribe, it's color, it's 11 inches, it's a totally re-engineered screen, better parallax, better pen, thinner, lighter, new workspace. Oh, and you might have noticed something. Check out the color, right? Who knew I was gonna match with this thing? And that's how light it is. I am holding this, it is like nothing in my hand. It's got a new workspace going on. So this is for people who want to get more done. There's like 0 parallax and 12 milliseconds of response time. It's pressure sensitive, it's fast, it's fun to obviously take notes on. You connect it to all your devices, OneDrive, Google Drive, all of this stuff that you want to do. It's no longer this walled garden. So that's the Amazon Kindle Scribe ColorSoft, available this year in the US and coming out next year in the UK and other territories in 2026. For more on this device and the world of products that Amazon introduced today, stick with TechRadar.com.